Today I am here discussing all your queries regarding Ichthyosis vulgaris disease and how to use correctly Ichthyosis vulgaris removing lotion and I-16 lotion. Without wasting time, I start discussing common question for all the patients. So first question is how this ichthyosis occurs. Ichthyosis is a genetic problem. It occurs due to mutations in genes. Okay, if your family members is suffering from any types of hormonal diseases like thyroid or diabetes, then mutation is also occurs in genes. So if your family member is suffering from diabetes or thyroid, then there is a high chances of inheritance of ichthyosis problem in your family. And when mother takes so much stress in pregnancy time, then this problem will also occur. So next question is it necessary to take medicine in ichthyosis treatment or just lotion is sufficient? Ichthyosis is the problem of the outermost layer of the skin where blood cells are not present. So if we're talking about removing of dead cells, so just by eating medicines, this will not help. These medicines help in neutralize free radicals in the middle layer of the skin, which help in maintaining skin health but do not remove dead cells. For visible result, we have to use lotion whether you eat medicines or not. So next question is permanent treatment of ichthyosis is possible or not? Permanent result, we should understand what actually happen in skin when someone is suffering from ichthyosis. Dead cells is formed by all living creatures in skin and it's removed by themselves as like a snake emits their skin. But when dead cells did not remove by itself in micro level, it start increasing the outermost layer of the skin. And in few days we can see dead cells appear in our skin, same like as the dandruff in our head. Continuous use of Ichthyosis vulgaris removing lotion and I-16 lotion help in reducing your dead cells. And if your age is less than 30 years, then there is a high chances of getting permanent result. So next question is in how many days we can see result? It is a genetic problem. It means it inherited from your mother or from father side. So if your problem is from father side, it take approximately 1 month for visual result, and if problem from your mother side, then it approximately 2 months for seeing a visual result. When we start Ichthyosis removing lotion and I-16 lotion, in 15 days we can see brightness and smoothness in skin, and within a month we can find following changes in face scales. First, more line will be appear due to breakage in dead cells. Second, darkness of the dead cells is reduces. Third, area of cross section of dead cells is reduces. It means thickness of the line is increases. You can see the thickness of the white line is increases. So next question is what are the side effect of I-16 lotion and Ichthyosis vulgaris removing lotion? So there is a no side effect of I-16 lotion, and in Ichthyosis vulgaris removing lotion pimples may be appear, but it will remove by itself in few days without leaving any scars. If you mix Clobelt Salic in removing lotion and you get result, then don't use that remixed lotion. That will cause stretch marks in your skin. If elasticity of your skin is less, then only this stretch marks appear. And if you are using I-16 lotion, then it will helpful in maintaining your elasticity and also reduce the stretch mark result. Then WhatsApp me in my number as mentioned in description.